Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 6870. It's run from the 6th 2012 to the 5th 2015. Here's a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents. Left front 19-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, either AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,